So hey guys, it's me Soham again, and today I'm come with a new topic that is how to, and I'm going to inform you regarding a new site in which I have been studying and I have just hit upon a few days back, and like I told all of you that I will be coming with more such content to help all of you people like me, who are people like me who are in the run to learn new things. So let's go. So as we can see, this site is Data Camp. I have hit upon it a few days back, and to note that it is only available up to 30. That means only you can use it for the next 3 days. And because why I am telling it, because the very the all the paid courses, all the paid courses right now are available here, as you can see, till 30th. Everything from data science to everything has been available here right now. I am learning Python programming for data scientist. As you can see, let's move to my account so that I can let you see. Okay, so as you can see, right now I am learning the introduction to data science in Python, and this site is very good, as I have been telling you, because it is teaching me all from module to module, from getting started in Python. As you can see, only the introductions are free generally, but till 30 you can gain access to many paid courses from to it will be worth from around 50,000 rupees. So make best use of these courses right now. Go and log in right now. As you can see, there are many courses. These are all unlocked till 30th. You can use it, all of them, and it is very helpful to learn. And there you have also show scripts. Then in the course you will gain access to uh, all this Python. They are gonna discuss you. You can take hint and all these. Till now, the best site have stumbled upon, better than Coursera and better than Udemy, I think, because there are not only these, there are many. Uh, right now, I cannot find. Yeah, these are all assessment, data analysis, statistics, fundamental. These are all free. Okay, uh, the practicing is always free, but the courses, these are always usually paid, so you can learn all these courses. Wait a minute. Yeah, here as you can see, introduction to Python, hands-on training on the introduction to SQL, introduction to R. Right now I'm continuing with this course, but in intermediate Python, these courses are usually paid, and I refer you that these are very good instructors coming on, who will it will be surely helpful to all of you people. uh, Especially it will be helpful to people who are going for the 2022 placements. You can learn a lot more skills, so make best use of this platform till they have been giving the free courses. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because I will be coming with more. It will motivate me, so I'll be coming with more such content, and I'll look forward to you all. Look all of you forward. So bye bye. Best of luck.